Hello everyone and welcome to VizRT Tuesday Tutorials. My name is Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'd like to take a look at one of the pieces of equipment that I use for every one of these tutorial videos, which is the VizRT PTZ3 camera. We have a few different PTZ cameras in our inventory and they're great for expanding camera angles, remote workflows, tutorial videos, you name it. And with our PTZ3 models, whether they're orange or blue, you're able to add auxiliary audio sources to that same camera feed via line or mic level inputs. So today, I'm going to show you how you can quickly change from one to the other. That's enough talking from me, so let me show you how it's done, son. All right, so here I am on my laptop, and the first thing I want to show you is how you can access your PTZ settings as soon as you plug it into the network, okay? So I basically have my PTZ camera plugged into my existing network here, and I have NDI Studio Monitor open, which you can download for free at ndi.video. All right, and from here, you'll click on the menu in the top left, and this is where I can see all the different video sources that are coming over my network. And I have my PTZ source coming in right here, all right? And I also wanted to mention, since I have the menu up, you can see that my audio levels are bouncing here. Now, that is directly tied to the NDI feed that I'm bringing in via this microphone and that camera. And I have them plugged together, so now let's see how we can do that. All right, so down here at the bottom of NDI Studio Monitor, you'll see that there is a gear icon, and that will let me bring up a web page, which I have over here. Let's go ahead. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is right above my head here is click on this audio and video settings tab. All right, let me scroll to the bottom of the page, and here's where you're going to go to make different adjustments. So let me bring up a graphic here real quick of the reverse side of our PTZ cameras. Okay, so you'll see on the back they have an option to bring in a 1/8" source for audio, for line level audio sources. So say like a media player, you know, a phone, laptop, something like that. But then there's also this connection, which is a mini XLR connection. Now, all of our PTZ3 cameras come with this mini XLR to XLR connection, allowing you to bring in things like, for example, the microphone that I'm using on my desk, or say a mixing board, any analog XLR outputted audio source directly into your production. All right. Now, what's awesome is that is going to embed that source directly into the NDI feed that you're bringing in, like I'm doing right now. Okay. So back over on my web browser, you'll see I can turn the audio on and off, which I won't toggle right now because then you won't be able to hear me. But then this allows me to switch from the mic inputs, and then if I click on line, then I can switch it over to the line input. So you can use one or the other depending on which kind of source you want to bring in. And then, of course, you have different options here of adjusting the bit rate in which these are coming in, and even adjust the volume on these as well. So this gives you some really awesome flexibility for bringing in different audio sources. And again, super convenient as opposed to me having to run everything, you know, through that actual hardware on the TriCaster via XLR. I can just plug that into the back of my PTZ camera, and I'm off and running. So super easy tutorial, but I think it is very powerful and good for everyone to know that you can have these capabilities right at your fingertips. So highly recommend playing around with this, and of course, have some fun. Boom! There you have it, another awesome feature of the PTZ3 Plus cameras from VizRT. Now, for more tutorial videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the VizRT YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And for formalized VizRT product training, sign up for Viz University, available at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And you can find more information about VizRT products and services by contacting your local VizRT partner, or you can check out our website, vizrt.com. And if you are posting your work using VizRT products on social media, hey, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags VizRT or TriCaster. I see all of those posts and love everything that you have been working on. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of VizRT Tuesday Tutorials.